Imagine a world where technology isn't a mystery, but an ally. This is the universe of Sha the IT Guy. Sha isn't your average tech enthusiast. He breathes binary, dreams in code, and sees the world through a lens of pixels and possibilities. A self-proclaimed technophile, his heart beats in sync with the rhythm of the digital world. This isn't just about a love for gadgets and gizmos. It's about a fascination with how technology shapes our world and a desire to make it accessible to everyone. From the latest innovations to the most intricate coding challenges, Sha lives to decode the complex universe of information technology. Welcome to the YouTube channel of Sha the IT Guy. This is a space where technology is demystified, where the jargon is broken down into meaningful insights. It's a place where curiosity meets knowledge, where questions ignite discussions, not just answers. Our mission? To make the world of technology less intimidating and more inviting, to inspire you to embrace the digital age, to empower you with the knowledge you need to navigate it with confidence. Whether you're an IT professional, an aspiring coder, or just someone who wants to understand the smart devices in your home, this channel aims to be your guide. We believe that technology should be a tool, not a challenge. That's why we're here to break down the complex concepts, to offer clear explanations, and to provide practical solutions. We're here to help you understand, to learn, and to grow. But Sha, the IT guy, doesn't just want to talk at you, he wants to talk with you. This channel is a platform for discussion, for debate, for shared learning. We want to hear your thoughts, your questions, your ideas. After all, technology is about connection, and we're all in this digital world together. Before we sign off, remember to hit that subscribe button and tap the notification bell. Stay connected, stay curious, and stay tuned for the next video. Together, let's turn the digital age into an age of understanding. Welcome to the world of Sha the IT Guy,